In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Cloudways application. If you have an old client site, a finished campaign, or a staging app you no longer need, deleting it the right way helps keep your server clean and avoids wasting storage and resources. The good news is that Cloudways makes this process simple, but because deletion is permanent, it's important to go carefully and confirm each step. Start by signing into your Cloudways account from your browser. Once you're inside the platform, go to the Applications section from the top navigation menu. This is where you'll see the full list of your active applications. Take a moment here and make sure you identify the exact app you want to remove. If you manage multiple websites or environments, it's worth double checking the name so you don't delete the wrong one by mistake. Before deleting anything, open that application and go to the Backup and Restore section in the left-hand menu. This is your safety step, and it really matters. When an application is deleted, its files and database are not recoverable through the platform, so creating one final backup gives you a last restore point if you ever need to reference the site later. Click Take Backup Now and allow Cloudways to run the backup in the background. If the project is especially important, it's also smart to keep your own local copy of the files or export the database separately for extra peace of mind. Once the backup is complete, go back to the main applications list using the top navigation. Find the same application again, then move to the far right side of its row and click the three-dot options menu. This opens the management actions for that app. From the drop-down menu, choose Delete App. Cloudways will then show a confirmation pop-up to protect you from accidental deletion. You'll see a warning that the action cannot be undone. In the confirmation field, type delete in all capital letters exactly as requested. After that, the submit button becomes available. Click submit to confirm. At this point, Cloudways will handle the removal process for you. The platform will delete the application's associated files and database and remove it from your applications list. In most cases, this only takes a short time. When the process is finished, look back at your applications page and confirm that the app is gone. It's also a good idea to review your remaining application list and server usage so you can verify that everything looks clean and organized. That's it. You've successfully deleted a Cloudways application safely and properly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.